Hello, this is Matt Doctor for iTechNews.gr. Today we're going to see the latest TWS wireless earphones from Tronsmart, the Onyx Free, as you can see here, true wireless earbuds with Qualcomm aptX. The extra feature that this wireless earphones has that are due to the period that we are having now due to the coronavirus is that they have a built-in UV sterilization, as you can see here. Apart from that, they have more precise button control, up to 35 hours playtime with charging case, and they are fully waterproof with IPX7 here, and here it has all the specifications that we need to know. Built-in UV sterilization, high quality Panasonic button for a more precise and faultless control. CVC 8 noise cancellation ensures crystal clear call quality. Qualcomm chip for a more stable and faster connection. Up to 35 hours with a charging case, 7 hours on a single charge. Ultra compact design for easier carry. aptX, AASC, HBC audio codecs compatibility. IPX7 fully waterproof. Mono stereo pairing mode, so you can use it either both or only the one. USB-C charging port, voice assistant control, and open up auto connection. This is the box that came to me from Geekbuying, which I really like to thank them for sending me this very good earphones. Tronsmart is a company that I do like, prefer, and I use. These are the earphones that I use at the moment. So it's a company that I know very well and I am very familiar. So let's open the box, let's see the earphones and connect it with my Xiaomi 10. So it's time to open the box. Let's open it up. Here it is. So this is the case, the charging case of the Tronsmart Onyx Free, the two earbuds, and the tips at the end of the earbuds in order to choose the right one for your ear. Let's open it up and see it inside, what else it has. So this is the case. You see, you open it and it shows how much the percentage of battery that the charging case has. Inside it, it's the UV sterilization method that uses Type-C for charging the case. Here are the earphones, right, and left, with a big button here in order to use it to control for calls or music. Here it is, ready. 75% this is the battery. Now if you see here, it says also accessories under the tray, so let's pick it up and see what else is under it. For sure it's gonna be, yeah, it's a warranty card, the cable, the charging cable, Type-C, and a manual. From what I see is in English, so there will be no problem reading the instructions to see how exactly they work. ready. Let's put in this, and let's see the earphones. Now the earphones, I have already connected them with my Xiaomi 10. With MIUI 12. As you can see here, it says it's connected. Tronsmart Onyx free. You see there are two of them. It's because it's mono or stereo, as we said before, so you can control either earphone apart. Inside it you can rename the earphone and pair phone calls, control for phone calls, media, audio, contact, sharing. Now I have tried and used them. They have really good noise cancellation. I can hear my voice very good. The sound is good, it's clear. Tronsmart is a company that I do recommend and have, as I showed you before. These are the Tronsmart that I use. If you see here, come on, I have the Spunky Beat. They are the Spunky Beat, right? Connecting the Onyx Free with your mobile, it's easy. They were already inside the charging case. They were found by my mobile and connected, so it's very easy to use. And I'll try to have a coupon for you in order to buy them at a lower price from Geekbuying, and perhaps a link from their Italian warehouse where it's gonna come faster, at least here for Greece and in general in Europe. If you like my video and the presentation, please press like, share the video, and this must be the UV function that shows here. Share my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at itechnews.gr. I am a doctor. Bye.